turn into a desert. No direction, nothing grows. All my paths feel lost and empty, and I don't know where to go. I search for meaning in